Hello dear student of class 7. Today I will discuss your 8-week English assignment. It is your third assignment from Unit 3, Lesson 4. What are friends for a sad day of Farabi? Here the assignment is make a list of 3 activities. 3 ধরনের কার্যক্রমের একটা তালিকা তৈরি করো that you can do যা তুমি করতে পারো for your friends তোমার বন্ধুদের জন্য during the present pandemic situation এই যেই মহামারী অবস্থা বর্তমান পরিস্থিতিতে of the 3 activities এই তিনটি কাজের মধ্যে নাম্বার 1 which one do you prefer most কোন কাজটি তুমি সবচেয়ে বেশি পছন্দ করবে বা কোনটি আগে করবে what problem may you face to fulfill এটা পূরণ করতে তুমি কোন ধরনের সমস্যার সম্মুখীন হতে পারো how do you solve the problems এই সমস্যাগুলো তুমি কিভাবে সমাধান করবে and the instruction for teacher will check students answer script following assignment rubrics. Now dear students, you can write the assignment like that. Coronavirus disease is a highly infectious and dangerous disease. There is no specific treatment for COVID-19. One of the preventive measures against the coronavirus is wearing mask. Social distancing is also one of the effective ways of limiting the spread of the coronavirus. As a conscious citizen, I have some responsibilities that I can do for my friends during the COVID-19 pandemic situation. A list of 3 activities that I can do for my friends during the present pandemic situation. Number 1, giving financial support as I can. Arrange sanitizer for being safe. Serve the mask for wearing. Of all those 3 activities, I do prepare number 3 as it is easy to manage for myself because my elder brother has a drugstore and from here I can easily serve to my friends some facial mask. To fulfill my activities, I may face some problems such as financial problem, restriction from my parents, people management, lack of experience, the special problem as I am younger. Those problems can be solved. I will describe those. For financial problem, I can raise money from wealthy people and to my parents. I have to manage them for going out and convince them that I will go out too much, safely keeping to maintain social distance. At this work, I am totally new person and I don't have any experience in people management. So far, I need to take help from senior to learning managing people. Besides that, we can make our immune system stronger by following the health rules, taking nutritious food, drinking a lot of liquid and doing light exercise. While we are waiting for a cure for COVID-19, we must follow those measures to prevent COVID-19. So dear student, wish you all the best for your assignment. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.